This is Alfonso. He's a security guard on the island of Aruba.
Hey, sir! You can't park there.
What the fuck do you mean?
On this one happy island, you always gotta make sure to be nice to people, no matter
Nice
what.
day, sir.
Being a security guard can be tough, but not really though. Working long hours for little money, Alfonso meets a lot of people and goes through a bunch of sketchy shit.
Hey! You look like you're selling something, brother.
What you mean, boss? What you mean? What you mean? Shit, bro. Man, what you... Brother. I do, yeah. A 20?
Yeah.
Smell it. Ooh. Yeah, man. Yeah, boss.
Get out of here before you give me trouble.
Yeah. Buy some weed next time.
Every day is different for Alfonso, but today, his life was about to change forever.
I'm gonna fucking blow this. Wait. What's in the bag? You're not gonna stop this. What's in the bag? Stop. I'm gonna blow this fucking thing.
Holy shit.
What's in the bag? I came here and I fell in love with the island. And for 20 fucking years I've worked in the industry. And for
Angry rich white guy with a bomb. But when it's time to clock out, don't nobody give a shit about your problems, especially Alfonso.
I'm clocking out. See you.
Hey, where you going? Hey, come back! Where you going? Come. Oh, don't leave me.
Today, Alfonso understood the true meaning behind the words, "That shit is way beyond my pay grade."